the notch at the top of the screen, the lack of a headphone jack. Me Too features like wireless charging. Samsung has poked fun at Apple with takedowns of the iPhone X, but that doesn't change the fact that, for many people, including us, Apple's flagship has become the smartphone to beat. Here's where Samsung needs to improve to take back the title of best phone. 1. Design, build on the S8's wow factor. It's easy to forget that Samsung had lost consumer trust heading into last year's Galaxy S8 launch. This was a result of battery issues with the Galaxy Note 7, which led to fires and a total recall of the phablet. The company had to prove it could make a phone that wasn't just sexy but safe. 2. Display, become the king of OLED again. In our testing of the iPhone X, we were surprised by how much better its OLED screen looked compared with the Galaxy S8's display, which is ironic considering Samsung reportedly supplied the panel Apple uses. The iPhone X's display looked brighter and delivered slightly wider viewing angles and more natural-looking hues. Analysts believe Samsung will make strides with the Galaxy S9 screen, and not just in terms of screen quality. 3. Snapdragon 845, efficiency beats speed. If the leaked benchmarks are to be believed, the Galaxy S9 won't be faster than the iPhone X, even though it should be the first phone on the market with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 processor. The A11 Bionic chip inside Apple's flagship seems to have more sheer horsepower. 4. Camera, better low-light pics and more. Samsung didn't make many upgrades to its camera between the release of the Galaxy S7 and Galaxy S8, which enabled other flagships to vault into the lead. In our own camera face-off between the iPhone X and Galaxy S8, for example, Apple's camera delivered richer colors and more natural-looking skin tones. 5. AI, press restart on Bixby. As Samsung's first stab at an AI assistant, Bixby has been a bit of a mess. Promised features, such as voice commands, didn't work at launch, and many users were angry that they could not remap the dedicated Bixby button to use it as a shortcut for other functions. You can do it now, but only through unofficial workarounds. 6. AR, embrace Google, or go it alone? Although Samsung has been at the forefront of the mobile virtual reality movement with its Gear VR headsets, the company did not bundle the headset with the Galaxy S8 as it had done with previous handsets. Bottom line. Based on rumors and early reports, the consensus seems to be that the Galaxy S9 will not be a huge update. But it doesn't necessarily need to be in order to take back the top smartphone mantle from Apple, as the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus were excellent premium flagships. Still, there's plenty of room for improvement, including a better display, faster performance, better camera quality and especially AI. Will all of that be enough?